I worked over 35 years at Providence Memorial Hospital. And then because of my vision, more than anything, I was legally blind. I lost an eye, so I couldn't even do secretarial job, which was where I was at then. My diabetes was part of my vision, losing my vision. And then it went from there to not being able to lose the weight. It was very hard because you go into all these diets, and they work for a little bit, but you get it right back, and sometimes you will double the weight. Having to get in the shower, I have a shower chair, but being able to get in there, she has to help me. I haven't been able to cook. That would be another goal, and I don't even know how to run the washing machine anymore. So those are some of the stuff that I wish I could do. Mainly the weight it started when I stopped working. Because even when I was working, we used to have a softball team for the hospital. We had volleyball team, and I was there no matter what. But when I stopped working, it's like, okay, depression sets in, and that's when you're like, no, I don't want to do nothing. I just want to sit here. Well, you at least have to eat. I was not even eating, but since I wasn't putting enough to be able to move or burn, that's when it started.
I say just get up and moving. Yeah, that's usually when we have like couch potatoes, we want for them to just get up and move.
I do weights. I do TheraBand. There's some balls that they give you to make different exercises. I have a treadmill that because I can hold on to that I walk very slow, but I do. Just movement, because you do your joints freeze, your muscles get weak, so I need them. I need them to at least get into my son's truck. I want to let him take me somewhere. And he's like, well, you can't do it. I said, I'm going to show you I can.